We already showed many times what to do to make your hair grow naturally. But for men, what to do to make your beard grow faster and more homogeneously. Today, bearded men are getting more common, and they also have big sideburns. In the last decade, it got more important for men to show their masculinity through their beards, not to mention the growth of specialized barbershops around the world. Do you know a man that is, or are you a member of this legion of bearded men? If you haven't joined this trend yet because your hairs are small or take too long to grow, you will learn in this video a completely natural recipe to make you grow a respectful beard. Do you want to learn how? There are hundreds of proven formulas to grow your beard and hair. At some point in life, both men and women go through hair loss. But did you know that peppermint oil is proven to be efficient for hair growth? Be it to stop hair loss, baldness, or to intensify hair growth on beards, peppermint oil can help you. Peppermint oil is the concentrated essential oil of leaves, stems, and stalks of the peppermint plant, scientifically known as Mentha piperita. The main ingredient of peppermint oil, menthol, is mainly responsible for its beneficial effects. It produces a refreshing sensation and is commonly used as an aromatic in foods and beverages, and also as a fragrance for soaps and cosmetics. Besides that, peppermint oil is one of the best essential oils for migraines and headaches, to alleviate allergies, eliminate warts, and is largely used to soothe pain and inflammation. According to recent studies, peppermint oil can be even more efficient than minoxidil in terms of stimulating hair growth. According to 2014 research, 6-week-old male lab mice had a small patch of their hair shaved to start the tests. The animals were divided into 4 groups: oil with saline solution, jojoba oil, 3% minoxidil, MXD, 3% peppermint essential oil. During the tests, they received application 6 days a week for 4 weeks. Throughout the research, photos were taken to visually follow the hair growth. Besides that, skin biopsies were also done to analyze the quality of the hair follicles. The results were that the oil with saline solution and the jojoba had minimal visible results. However, minoxidil and peppermint oil both showed visible results in hair growth after the 2nd week and during the rest of the treatment. Besides that, peppermint oil had better results when compared to minoxidil. So according to the research, peppermint oil plays a fundamental role at the beginning of the anagen phase and proliferation of hair follicles, both necessary for healthy hair growth. Isn't it amazing how powerful this natural oil is? See how to get the benefits of peppermint oil to promote hair growth. To stimulate growth, mix 2 drops of peppermint oil with a tablespoon of carrier oil, such as jojoba or coconut oil. After that, apply on the desired area, scalp or beard, and let it act for at least 30 minutes. Before doing this treatment, do a test to ensure that your skin won't get irritated. Remember to avoid this mixture from getting into your eyes. So, did you like this recipe? Did you know about this study and the benefits of peppermint oil?